Okay, guys, it just started to rain, so
I hope you're happy.
yeah, we're not having a picnic, I guess.
We can call it Poop Nick.
Stop it. So, today's not going as planned.
Well, just think of all those people that are down there in the water.
Yeah, they'll just be getting poured on by.
No, they're scrambling right now to get into their trucks
Yeah, they're gonna be getting poured on.
because just getting underneath those pavilions, that's not safe enough.
Yeah, did you guys hear? I don't know if you guys heard it. I don't think my iPod heard it. But there was just some thunder, I think.
I heard it.
Was that thunder?
It's a Poop Nick.
Wasn't that thunder, Grandma?
It was a Poop Nick.
Yeah, see, now it's starting to pour.
I don't like Poop Nicks. Do you guys? Oh, did I say poop? I mean, it was a picnic, but then the rain struck twice. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum.
Nadia.
I don't know what, because I've never been there, but it seems to be fun.
Yeah, a total. Okay. Open with the Bible 6,899. The range just.
Okay, so I don't know what we're doing now. But we're still gonna go to Moose Haven.
We're probably gonna poop in it too.
Stop, Nadia. Hey, what are we going to do?
We got Plan B.
Okay, what is it?
Go to your house.
I think all of my viewers, which is not very many, would like to hear Plan B.
Plan B is go to Realms Park where they have the food, the fun, and the rides 4th of July.
Oh, okay. I don't have very many viewers. I have like
You're an unknown right now.
I have like 18 viewers or something, because I've gotten 17 views on my first video. Oh yeah, it's starting to pour now.
The lake. Yeah.
I'll make each video like 4 minutes long, but the final video, which is the fireworks at Moose Haven, I'll make that however how long the fireworks are.
Oh, and always
I would like
put
to,
your seatbelts on,
come and look
or
at
you're
the
going to jail.
Click it or ticket.
And look at
You won't go to
that
jail.
aircraft.
You won't get a jail, you just get a ticket.
That museum.
You get a ticket. Or a ticket. Or a ticket.
I'm hungry. If Plan B doesn't work out, let's go to your house.
That's going to be Plan C.
We're not going to Grandma's house. They have less food there.
Yeah, up there it's going to be nasty.
Maybe we can do some Mario Kart races.
You can film me doing so.
Well, guys, that's the end of this short video, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.